Hello everyone, I am Mayuri Jain, Assistant Professor from Apisha Institute of Technology working in Computer Engineering Department. My subject for the presentation is Environment and Sustainability using the biogas and compost plant installed in our college campus. Now in my previous videos, I have discussed about the biogas and compost plant installed in the institute campus and also how the ISO is necessary to ensure the success of the installation. Through this video, I would like to convey the importance of renewable sustainable source of energy, the importance of solid waste management and how it is beneficial to society for maintaining sanitation and experiment such plans at society level. The screen before you represents an anaerobic digester which is already installed in our college campus. The flow, the working of this digester is as follows. The organic waste which is generated in our canteen is prepared and then given as input to our anaerobic digester which has three digesters 7 kgs each, taking the input of approximately 21 kgs of weight waste or organic waste, which then generates either a biogas which is rich in methane and an organic compost which can be used as a manure or fertilizer in the college gardens, in the campus gardens which are present. This biogas or the methane gas which is created from the anaerobic digester is used in our college canteen to prepare the majority of the food which is served. ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 are two of the major ISO standards that are required from the biogas and compost plants installation point of view. ISO 9001 refers to quality management, that is, all the features of a product which is required by the customer are ensured that under ISO 9001 are provided. Quality management means what the organization does to ensure that its products or services satisfies the quality requirements and comply with any regulations applicable to those products. ISO 14001 is environmental management. It means that what the organization does to minimize harmful effects on the environment caused by its activities, to conform to applicable regulatory requirements and to achieve continual improvement of its environmental performance. The total emission reductions of CO2 is approximately 200 tons EPA. Total capacity of the biodigesters is approximately 3000 liters. Total amount of waste used to run the plant is 21 kg per day, which is 3 digesters of 7 kg each. Flow meters are installed at each digester for measurement of gas generated by each digester. Gas control valve is provided at intervals to ensure any leakage, if happens, should be controlled within time. Daily testing of pH of supernatant leaker and variation in flow reading for each of digester is noted and recorded, and record of the same is maintained in order to ensure the safety and prioritize the environmental safety of the biogas and compost plant. Now, before we begin with what or how this biogas and compost plant represent sustainable development, first we will understand what do we mean by sustainable development.
Hi guys! Do you have time for a few quick questions? I see you're having a lot of fun, but do you ever stop and think if what you do is sustainable? And do you know what sustainable development means? Sustainable development is to make the world a better place for everyone now without destroying the possibilities for the next generations. If you wonder if something is sustainable, you can ask yourself, can we do this over and over again forever? Sustainable development means that we need to keep three things in mind at once: social progress, economic development, and climate and environment.
As we have understood what exactly do we mean by sustainable development, let us understand the contribution to sustainable development goals by the biogas and compost plant. The first one being no poverty. Households save time and money if they use biogas plant that they used to spend on fuel, fertilizers, and cooking. The next one is zero hunger, that is, healthier soils by using residues from biogas production as natural fertilizers will help us reduce the hunger rate. The next one is good health and well-being. Reduction of health risks due to improved indoor air quality and healthier diet will ensure good health and well-being in majority of the rural area people. The next one is affordable and clean energy, as biogas plant will create clean and affordable renewable gas. It will be very easy for people and for environment to remain affordable and clean. The next one is climate action. Families save wood and protect the local forest as a carbon sink. They also avoid methane emissions. Last one, life on land. Healthier soils by using residues from biogas production as natural fertilizers for protection of local biodiversity is ensured. With this, I would like to conclude my video saying that if we try and implement this biogas and compost plant at local level or at society level will help us reduce carbon emissions and improve the quality of air by a greater margin. Thank you.